release some water, so don't panic. Let the mix get cooked really well in that water. That is gonna give it a really good taste. At this point, we're gonna add in a little bit of salt. Remember, we already added soy sauce into the marinade, so if you add too much salt, it might become too much salty. So I am going to add just half a teaspoon. So our seafood marinara mix is cooked kind of really well. Although there is some water left, it's not gonna harm you. It's actually gonna kind of make this dish a soupy flavor. So let's leave the water as it is. It's not too much of water, it's just a bit of water, which is gonna make it like a bit soupy. So we are now gonna add in our onions to the mix. Remember, you guys can add any of the vegetables like capsicum, some green leaves, broccoli. Right now I'm just gonna add onions to it. So let's mix it. Our seafood marinara mix stir fry is ready to eat. It's very simple, real quick, very delicious. So if you're cooking like me on a Friday evening after a tiring 5-day week, this is definitely a recipe you can try. So hope you guys try this one. I hope you'll enjoy the dinner I made you tonight. I promise I'll be coming out with a lot more interesting recipes, quick and easy DIYs. I have a lot more stuff to talk to you guys about. Please subscribe to our channel. Keep watching my videos. Keep liking. I need all your support and love. You guys have an amazing weekend. Thanks for watching once again. I'll see you next week. Thank you.